Bandra never really sleeps. It changes its rhythm.
Morning whispers become afternoon hums and night laughter.
Bandra lives, breathes, and dreams in color. Welcome to Bandra Diaries.
Bombay has two kinds of people. Those who live for flavor and those who have not discovered it as yet.
And today we are standing at a place that serves you both flavor and full mood. Welcome to Bombay Brioche.
What are your specialities here? What would you recommend if you came here for the first time?
So we would suggest you to go with the sandwiches that we have over here. Mexican and pesto cottage cheese sandwich and grilled chicken sandwich which we have. New York chicken breast sandwich. The Bombay special the Memphis grill, which has the chicken ghee roast sandwich, poppin' sorry. There's also Salli Boti kulcha sandwich.
Oh, so celebrity
kulcha
also.
sandwich.
Oh, wow,
That sounds
that's
interesting.
And also the lamb croissants are also available.
Lamb croissants.
Yes.
And do you bake your own breads?
Yeah, we have the in-house breads we have.
Okay.
Wow.
There's the sourdough brioche, we have in-house breads.
So you'll make the breads yourself?
Sure.
Okay.
They have pistachio carrot cake.
Yeah, that seems to be a favorite everywhere. There's a
Yeah,
carrot
carrot
cake somewhere or
cake,
the
yeah.
other. It must be working everywhere. That's
Yeah,
why people,
but
I
of
guess,
course
are
that's
making so
why,
many
yeah.
carrot cakes. And you know how some places were made specially for Instagram?
And this place is made for your mood.
This is Bombay Brioche, where the city and the butter both melt beautifully.
After all that walking, it's time to relax. And what better place than Eddie's?
Eddie's isn't just a restaurant, it's a mood, a shared heartbeat.
Here, the night belongs to laughter. So, what do you like about Eddie's?
Actually, I mostly like the ambience.
Okay.
Quite a low-key vibe. Yeah.
Which drink or which dish, what do you like, your favorite?
I mostly these two drinks. So, Bira White and Budweiser.
Okay, now let's start with some fun questions. Alright? Are you guys dating?
Currently not.
No? You're a single?
Yeah.
Why aren't you on any dating app?
Well, I'm
Hint. Do you find love there?
Or it's just time pass.
It's time pass.
It depends on the person. I was on Hinge and
Bad experience.
two of my exes were on Hinge. Like I met them on Hinge.
So you meet marriage material people or you meet like fun people there?
Fun, obviously.
Fun, okay. So what's your take on women taking advantage of the law that has been framed to protect them?
Like the rape laws.
Like
Do you think
the
women
rape laws,
misuse
like
them?
today if somebody's going out for a date with you and then tomorrow God forbid that person files a case on you. So what's your take on that?
All women are different.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, not all women are the same person.
Yeah.
Some are good, some are bad. It depends on the people.
Person basically.
Yeah, it
person to
depends
person.
on the person.
Yeah.
So, we can't judge by them like all women are same.
Do you think that women are taking advantage of the law?
In today's generation, I think yes.
Yes, they are.
Yeah, they are.
Fake
I think men are at a disadvantage
Feminism
right
and all,
now.
yeah. Take feminism and all, yeah.
What is the most stupid thing you've ever done?
Drunk and gone to college.
Heartbroken?
No, it was not.
But do you think it's easy to find love these days?
No, I mean it's not that easy, but you need to know the person first. Take the next step.
Okay, so physical attraction or emotional connection?
Emotional connection.
Emotional.
Femininity is gone, you feel?
It's not gone.
It's still that.
So do you think they've become gold diggers and they're looking for the best option?
Everyone is looking for the best option at this point.
Yeah, men, women both. Actually, even men can be gold diggers. Why not? Right? True.
Depends on the person. Like I'm quite social, so like I've been listening to stories of my female friends, like who are elder to me, and like in their case, they are finding their way of finding love, and my way of finding love is quite different.
Do you think it's possible to love two people at one time? No?
It is possible.
It is possible.
It is possible,
Okay.
but
Again, it depends.
yeah.
How far would you all go on your first date?
Or will you all kiss on your first date?
No, I think second or third.
What
Yes,
if the
on our
woman is
first
ready
You have
for
kiss
it?
on your first date?
But like, I would like depends on the situation for how long you guys are talking, like the emotional connection you have.
So you mean even before you kiss, you need to have an emotional connection? Okay, so you're still old school.
Yeah.
Very
So what
much.
do you all think, with heart or your head?
Both.
Both. The best thing about Bandra is that food finds you before you find it.
From crispy bites to spicy rolls to mouth-melting kebabs, you get it all here at Salim Shahi Sigri. Come.
Hello sir, how are you?
How are you, ma'am?
We are good. Since how long is your place?
It's been almost 5 years here.
So what's the best-selling item here?
We are specialized in North Indian kebabs. Like we have got the old Delhi vibe in Bombay.
Oh,
Mostly
okay.
we get many places, many kebabs are there, many options are there in Bombay nowadays. But you don't find authentic kebabs. We have all pure, like all masalas and everything else coming from Delhi.
Okay.
And then we ourselves in-house, we grind it, hand-grounded masalas. and
Oh,
all, like,
lovely.
Like you can try our kakori kebab, you can try our mutton steak kebab. We do
Uh-huh.
have a dahi chicken.
Yeah, Amul chicken and dahi chicken. I've heard of that. Yeah.
And what's the hottest selling item that you sell maximum plates?
Butter chicken roll.
That goes the maximum in a day. Approximately how many plates or how many pieces?
Like approximately more than 300 rolls.
In a day?
300 on an average, yeah.
In a day.
Only
That's
Afghani
lovely.
roll.
That's only
Wow,
Afghani
that's
roll. Wow,
very
that's
good.
yum.
So like
That's nice.
starters and all, like I have a wide range of kebabs. Like
Oh, okay.
it's all melt in the mouth. Like
And you do party catering, outdoor
we do house
catering,
parties,
everything.
We do parties orders, we do in-house catering orders. And all.
What do you think it is about your kebabs that people keep coming back all the time?
See, it's nothing such. Like it's like many people are doing. Many people have opened the restaurants and all. Like the only thing is you give your best. You make your recipe, make your food with your heart. It's not like this is not commercial. This is from passion. I started it with a small shack at Hill Road. I had a small shack over there.
Yes, I know that.
Opposite
yes, I
Andrews
visited
Church. From
there.
there we came here, and after Alhamdulillah, after COVID, we are here until morning 5-6 a.m. Like we are killing it. Like people are loving it. We are only marketing through word of mouth. Man. We only
That's-
people love our food. They come and they enjoy our kebabs, grill rolls, and all.
You can walk in hungry, but you will never leave unsatisfied.
This is classic Bandra comfort food. Yummy.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you, man.
See you in the next episode only on Bandra Diary.